The morning after, maybe you're slightly hungover or drained from a wild night with that special someone. Or maybe you put the kids down early, got to bed by 8 but are still exhausted. Well, what better way to recharge those batteries than to carb up with today's recipe? Incredible breakfast potatoes. For the freshest ingredients available anywhere, check out Melissa's Produce at melissas.com. We're going to start by chopping about 3 cups of potatoes. Any potato will do, but I prefer either Yukon Gold or these beautiful baby Dutch yellows. And by the way, size of the chop isn't as important as the uniformity. We're parboiling these babies, so get a pot of water boiling, add a pinch of salt, and then carefully drop in the spuds. Make sure you give them a stir now and then to help release all the starch. We're only boiling them for about 10 minutes. We don't want them to cook all the way through. Then we're going to drain them and let them rest in the strainer while we move on to the next step. Heat up a skillet and add about 2 tablespoons of either avocado or olive oil. Once that's hot, pour the potatoes into the skillet and we'll get them nice and coated in the oil. Make sure to give some love to every last one of them before we add the spices. You can find the recipe for my spice mix in the description, but remember, you're the chef. Season these any way you want, and don't worry about the haters. They're just imitators. Get it? Taters? All we're doing now is waiting for them to brown, and because they're parboiled, there's no need to cover them. Oh yeah, they are looking done, and boy do they smell good. With just the right amount of crispy on the outside and soft in the middle. So if you've got some hot potatoes still asleep that you'd like to serve breakfast in bed to, these are perfect with some crispy bacon and a couple of eggs over easy. Everyone knows breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Then why not slip into something alluring and serve it with a side of dessert? As always, thanks for watching.